So today you're going to do some 2-point perspective practice. I have my notes here in case I need them. You should get out your notes. And then you're going to get out a ruler, a pencil, an eraser, and you have a white piece of paper. And you're going to draw a horizon line across the middle. So estimate where the middle is, line up the edges of the ruler or the red marks of the ruler with the edges of the piece of paper and draw a straight line. And then your practice assignment is to draw 4 boxes above the horizon line, 4 boxes below the horizon line, and 2 boxes on the horizon line. So I'm putting my 2 points on the horizon line, and like I said, just drawing 4 boxes above and 4 boxes below, and try to vary the width and size and depth. Make some boxes tall and skinny or flat and short. You can make some kind of square or cubish, but you're going to go ahead and do that. And this is a practice, and what you're really trying to practice is making those corners crisp, really getting the lines correct. If you notice when I'm drawing here, I'm not drawing the line all the way to the horizon line. I'm just drawing it enough so that I can make my box. And in that way I have less erasing to do. So here I am erasing, and again, if you erase any part of the box, you can redraw it. Just make sure you're using your ruler. So here I am redrawing that line in those corners to make it really nice. So that's what you're practicing today, and when you're done with your practice, you're going to make sure that you have it all really nice, and then you're going to upload it to Canvas. It is an assignment, and then we're going to do something with this piece of paper, so don't throw it away or lose it. Okay, keep this paper so the next day in class we can add to this paper.